So we are starting with this activity of vertically opposite angles. This is how we are going to make it. I'll tell you the step by step version of this, how we are going to make this. And then since you are sitting in a group of two, so two together are going to make two such pieces and we'll connect those two pieces to learn a new concept. Alright, so that will be two in one project for you, vertically opposite, as well as one more thing we are going to learn that I'll tell you at the end of this video. Alright, so what all do we need for that? We need a 360-degree protector. Right now if you are not having it, it's okay, but later on you can attach it with your project. Alright, then you need two circles, half folded. I'll separate them to make two semicircles. Alright, then you need two straws. These are paper straws, easily available in the market. In case if you wish to use plastic straws, then please do not go to the market for purchasing it, क्योंकि वो बैन हो चुका है. घर में ऑलरेडी पड़ी है तो यू कैन यूज. अगर नहीं है घर पे तो आपको पेपर स्ट्रॉज आराम से कहीं पे भी मार्केट में मिल जाएंगे. देन यू नीड अ थंब पिन, scissors, stapler, and finally you need a cardboard. Alright, so I'll start with the straws first. So what I'm going to do with these straws, these are cylindrical right now, so it will be difficult for me to work with this. So what I'm going to do, I'm pressing it to make it a flat straw, folding it along with any of its surface like this. और ये दोनों straws को आपको फ्लैट करना है. कैन यू सी द डिफरेंस? अभी एक फ्लैट है और एक पूरी सिलेंड्रिकल है, तो दोनों को फ्लैट करना है आपको. आर यू डूइंग इट विद मी? Those who are having all the material, please do it with me side by side. So after that I have two flat straws now. Just try to find the center point of these straws. It's not necessary to find the exact center. आगे पीछे भी हो सकता है, but I am just guessing that the center will be here, somewhere around it. Alright, I'm flipping it a bit, making a cross on it like this. And what I'm going to do now, I'll connect these two straws with the help of this thumb pin. So you need to be careful while doing this step. चुभे ना ध्यान से, ठीक है? So one by one I am doing this. I am putting this straw in this thumb pin in one straw, and then on the next one. So these two straws are attached with the help of this thumb pin. Alright? Why we are using thumb pin here? So that we can move them like this. If you will staple them over there, then you would not be able to move them. Alright, that is why this thumb pin is important. ठीक है? Clear है सबको यहाँ तक? Now, keeping this at a side, I am picking one circle. Pick any one color first and cut this circle into two semicircles. Alright? Now I have two semicircles with me. I am not working with the second one right now. Both the semicircles are of the same shade. That is very much important here. Same shade वाला हमें semicircle use करना है. I am folding it further into two quarters and pressing it only at the center, just to locate the center of this semicircle. Alright? Similarly, I am doing it with the second semicircle also, just to locate the center. Now pick up that cross again. Now we have two straws with us. Look at the upper one. The upper one straw is the horizontal one over there. Alright, what I am going to do with this, I will attach this semicircle with this straw over there. What happened? Alright, so how will we attach them? I will put this center between this thumb pin and the straw, but definitely thumb pin should not pass through this semicircle. We are just placing it over there like this. Okay, और ये thumb pin को वापस प्रेस कर लिया ताकि ये इंटैक्ट हो जाए, हिले ना. Done till this point? Alright, now see, I'm just holding it tight and I can show you this is not connected with the straw yet. Is it connected? No. मैंने बस प्लेसमेंट की है इसकी, है ना? Now what we are going to do, from one side, I am choosing the right side right now. From right side I am stapling this circle, semicircle with this straw, and from left side this is open. Okay, just from one side I am stapling it from the right side with this straw, and from left side this is open. Is this step clear to everyone? Now you must be thinking कि मैम ये थोड़ा सा टिल्ट हो गया है, थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो गया. It's okay, it's not going to hamper the activity. Okay. Now on the same straw with the same colored second half, what we are going to do with this now? We'll place it like this on the same straw in such a way that the circle looks complete. Is it looking complete now? But the lower half is not yet attached. Upper half was attached towards the right side. So in lower half I will attach it towards the left. Now I am attaching it with the left portion of the straw and keeping it open from the right side. So can you see this now? Upper one is attached from this side and open from this side. Okay? And lower one is attached from this side but open from this side. Is it clear to everyone? Sure? This all work is done on a single straw, the one which was forward. Alright? Now I am rotating it like this. And now I am going to use the second straw with second color of the circle. Alright? So putting it at a side, picking up the next circle, cutting it into two semicircles. Again, folding them into quarters just to locate the center. Like this. Pick up the same stuff again. Now, this is something which is tricky. So be careful everyone. ध्यान से देखना जरा इस point पर. Now we want to place this red colored semicircle. How we are going to do this? We have to hide this staple. This stapled pin we want to hide. And there is a gap between this green and this green, right? So we will insert this half through this gap, like this. Alright? Half in front, half at the back. Is it clear to everyone? Half in front, half at the back, and the part which is in the front will not be attached with the straw. The part which is in the back, like this. This part I will again attach with the second straw with the help of the stapler. So, can you see this now? Clear? Same process we will repeat with the lower part of the straw. What is its name? I'll tell you after this. In fact, I'll ask you what is it. I'll not tell you, I'll ask you. Now look here. I want to place this also somewhere. And what should be in my mind? I want to hide this staple pin. Alright? And there is a gap also. So I am going to insert this semicircle here like this. Can you just imagine the quarters of different shades now? Yes? Alternate colors. So I am placing it in such a way that the circle is looking complete. Again, the front side will not be attached, but the back side, we will attach the back side of the semicircle also with the straw. So every semicircular part is attached only from the one end with the straw, not with both. Alright? Just holding it tight once again. Is it visible to everyone now? What is the name of this activity? Vertically opposite angles. Right? Vertically opposite angles. Now what do we need to do? This is a 360-degree protector. I am placing it over there through the center of this so that things remain intact. ये move ना करे, हिले ना, इसीलिए. All right. Now I am moving these straws. Can you see the movement in the angles also? Can you see the movement in the angles? And can you see the red color is same in both the portions? And green color is also same in both the portions. And what these red angles are representing? Vertically opposite angles. Similarly, this green is vertically opposite to this green. So vertically opposite angles are equal. And still, if you have any doubt, you can come one by one. Not right now, after some time. And you can see the actual measurements in the protector also. Alright? Alright? Finally, what we are going to do? We are going to place it on the cardboard like this, and we will protect it later on. I am showing you one of the work done by your classmate of the previous group. She has done only one thing in this. Individually, you are going to do it along with your partner, because I am going to do the extended modeling also with this. So this is what she has done. Can you see the changes in this also? And you can measure the angles also. Alright? Alright? Do till this point, then we are coming back for the next one. Alright? Okay, so this is the second part done by Iram. So what we are going to do, being in a team, you two are going to make this. So the second person is also going to attach it here like this. Alright? So it's looking normal, just like two models of same thing, right? But I am going to do some changes in that now. What I am going to do, I will put this straw in the above one like this. Now we have a new model. Can you see what is this now? Alternate angles. किसमें होते हैं alternate angles? किसमें होते हैं? Exactly. Now we have two lines and one transversal, and we can verify that when the alternate angles are equal, or when co-interior angles are making 180 degree, then the straws, these two straws are looking parallel. Alright? And when they are not parallel, then we are not able to verify those properties. Right? So this is 2-in-1 model. If you will attach these two straws of your models, it will form a pair of lines and transversal model. Alright? And if you will keep them separate, it will be showing you the model of vertically opposite angles. Alright? Is it clear to everyone? So since you are working in a team, so both the members are supposed to do it for vertically opposite, and then you will place them on a cardboard like this. Is it clear to everyone? But please do not staple them, so that we can see them separately as well, and we can attach them also whenever required. Is it clear to everyone? All right.